안녕하세요 친구들, Jham입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys 3 nail art designs inspired by Jeon Somi's outfits on her newest music video, Dum Dum. Okay, so the first inspiration is this blue plaid school uniform outfit. Before starting any nail arts, I see to it that I apply my favorite peel-off base coat first. After letting it to dry, I'm applying a muted blue shade as a base. Of course, I'm applying a second coat. After letting it to dry, I'm using a stamping plate and a blue stamping polish for the first layer of plaid. After stamping it onto my nail, it's time to apply another plaid design with white. Then I'm doing the cleanup with nail polish remover and a brush. And after that, it's time to apply top coat. And there you have it, our first Dum Dum inspired nail art. For the second design, it'll be inspired by this cute pink hearts jammies. For my base, I'm applying a pastel pink shade. By the way, I already applied a peel-off base coat before doing this. Then I applied liquid latex around the skin of my nails because I'm gonna do an ombre next. I'm applying the same pink shade I applied on my nail on a cosmetic sponge. And a darker pink color. Then I'm dabbing it onto my nail. Repeat painting and dabbing until you reach the full opacity you wanted. Then I'm doing the cleanup. To smoothen everything, I'm applying a top coat. Then let's wait for it to dry. For the hearts pattern, I'm using this stamping plate. Then let's finish it off by applying a top coat. And we're now on our third and final design for this video. This one is inspired by Somi's sparkly argyle outfit. I'm having the shade white for my base. Then on my thumb and ring nail, I'm doing a simple argyle design. So, I'm using a yellow acrylic paint and I'll be painting diamond shapes on my nails. After that, I'm filling some parts of the diamonds with yellow. Then with red. Then with blue. And that's it for my thumbnail and my ring nail. For my index, middle, and pinky nail, I'm just painting a big diamond on my nail. After all of that, I'm applying top coat. While the top coat is still wet, I'm pouring some sugar glitters on my nails. Then I'm slightly tapping it. Then I'm brushing it off. After all of that, here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the 3 nail art designs I shared with you today. By the way, let me know which look is your favorite. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this with your awesome chingus, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. 크게 오늘에야 여러분, 비디오를 봐주셔서 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 만나요. 안녕!